We're gonna do a Meghan Markle look for today. For this look, it's very important for you to like have the vibrant smile. Eee. Yeah, the bushy brows, the freckles, not so perfect skin, but you know, the getting there perfect skin. Una-una, we have to prep the skin, of course. In her case, diba, dewy yung look ni Meghan Markle. So we can use an illuminating BB cream. And the best way to apply this is by using your clean hands, no? And then to proceed, we add na agad a bit of a highlighter. And then in this look kasi, everyone's like talking about her eyebrows, diba? For me kasi, the highlight talaga is seeing the skin and the freckles. Actually, she has her freckles na. Pero, I want to emphasize it a bit more. And for those who want to achieve this look na walang freckles, you can do this. Actually, maraming klaseng product na nagagamit. But my favorite one is this one from K Palette. It's called the Real Lasting Eyebrow. To add lang a bit of color sa skin. It's a mineral blush and the shade is Flower Child from Becca Cosmetics. Then we go to the brows. What I do is like, I line it muna sa dulo. I don't start in the beginning of the brows kasi it gives you the sharp look, diba? So I'm just doing the feathering technique. Like you copy the strands of the hair. Let's add a brow gel. So this was sent to me by an online store. I like it because it's matte. After nyan, maybe let's move to the eyes. So yan, as I've said earlier, she's parang sporting this parang smudge eyeliner, very basic eyeshadow look, no? So I'm using this Amber x9 collection from MAC. So we're gonna use this shade and this, pero very quick lang. So una, let's use the matte eyeshadow kasi hindi naman siya masyado nag-cut crease or anything. Parang so just like ng eyeshadow, a bit of eyeliner and mascara, and that's it, no? I'll put a bit of Creative Copper in the middle. So this is the Creative Copper. We're gonna apply na yung smudge eyeliner peg niya on the upper So we're using YSL. I like it kasi yung finish niya, it's like a grayish blackish. Alam mo yung parang sinade lang ng pencil. So, maglaline lang tayo ng onte near the lash line, as closest to the lash. Much better. And then by using a smudger, let's just smudge it a bit. And then you do it on the outer corner of the eyes. Yeah, lower lash line mo. And then by simply using your smudger again. Next naman is like with fix the lashes. As you can observe, dun sa mga looks niya, di ba yung una nag-viral, she was looking down. We're gonna use mascara. My favorite mascara, Maybelline. Super eksena talaga mga. By simply using your spoolie, you can just get a few product and then para naman siya sa lower lash line. For her lips, di ba parang she used a how do I say this? Parang amplified. Parang hindi siya masyadong matte, but it's matte. Normally, you swipe it kung personal use mo siya. Pero for hygienic purposes, we're gonna use lip brush. Yung hair niya, it's like a low bun, messy low bun, diba? We're gonna apply a hairspray while finger combing the hair. We used a bungee. It was like a 2 rubber band connected together with 2 hairpins in both ends. So, para mas madali siyang i-clip together and i-wrap. There you go.